Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because today we're diving deep into one of the hottest topics for beginner traders. Forex no deposit bonuses in 2026, specifically focusing on two big players, FBS and RoboForex. Alright, let's kick things off with the absolute basics. What exactly is a Forex no deposit bonus? Picture this, you're brand new to trading. You don't want to risk your own cash yet, but you still want real market action. That's where a no deposit bonus comes in. It's literally free trading credit that the broker gives you just for signing up, no money down from your pocket. You might see offers like $50 free or $100 no deposit bonus popping up right after registration. Sounds amazing, right? It lets you open real trades, feel the excitement of wins and losses, and test the broker's platform without touching your bank account. But hold up, let's break it down step by step. First, you sign up and verify your account. Then boom, bonus credit hits your trading balance. Now you're ready to place trades on pairs like EUR USD or gold. If you make profits, many brokers let you withdraw them after you meet certain conditions. New traders get that rush. Whoa, I just turned free money into actual profit. It's a super exciting way to dip your toes in. Think of it like a money bag exploding open, no deposit required. And out come all these trading tools, charts, and opportunities. But here's the real talk, and pay attention because this is huge. These bonuses almost always come with strings attached. We're talking trading volume requirements, like trade 30 lots before you can withdraw profits, time limits, maximum withdrawal caps, or rules that the bonus itself can't be cashed out. The fine print is your best friend, and sometimes your biggest warning sign. So no deposit bonuses are an awesome entry point for beginners. But they're not free lunch. They're a tool to learn, practice, and maybe pocket some real gains if you play smart. Now let's zoom in on one of the heavy hitters in 2026, FBS. Founded back in 2009, FBS has grown into a massive player, over 27 million registered traders worldwide, regulated by SICEC and FSC, and super popular in places like Nigeria, Asia, and beyond. They're all about making Forex accessible for beginners while giving pros the tools they need. Look at that clean logo, green energy, professional vibe. That's FBS in a nutshell. When it comes to trading, FBS delivers tight spreads, starting as low as 0.2 pips on major pairs, lightning fast execution, and platforms like MT4, MT5, plus their own slick mobile app. Whether you're scalping or holding swings, it's smooth sailing. And check this out, you can trade right from your phone. No excuses. Young traders everywhere are loving it. Grab a coffee, open the app, and you're in the market. It's that simple. And for the serious setups, FBS shines here too. Multiple monitors loaded with charts, indicators, copy trading signals. You can mirror top performers automatically if you want passive gains, while learning high leverage, up to 3,000, diverse account types, and even educational tools to level up your game. Now, about those bonuses in 2026. Pure no deposit offers are gone from FBS. They shifted focus to real skill building, but they've got strong alternatives that still give you a big boost. Think 100% deposit match, drop $100, get another $100 to trade with. Or past favorites like the level up bonus, where verification and app download unlocks extra credits. Cashback up to $15 per lot through their loyalty program, and that is real money back every trade. Pros, super beginner friendly, fast withdrawals, and local payment options galore. Cons, strict verification steps and some country restrictions. If you're starting small or scaling up in 2026, FBS is a solid, trusted choice. Shifting gears now to RoboForex, the broker that brings a serious tech edge in 2026. Established in 2009 and regulated by the FSC in Belize, RoboForex stands out with an insane range of over 12,000 trading instruments. We're talking Forex majors, exotic pairs, stocks, indices, commodities, and a growing crypto lineup. If you love diversification, this is your playground. That sharp blue and white logo says modern, reliable, and forward-thinking. Classic RoboForex. Dive into the platform, and it's impressive. MT4, MT5, cTrader, and their own RStoxTrader app, all packed with tools for every style. Spreads from 1.3 pips, super low commissions on some accounts, and everything you need for multi-asset trading right in one dashboard. Forex charts, next to Bitcoin, gold, Tesla stocks, seamless switching. For the fast-paced traders, RoboForex is built for scalpers. Lightning execution, tight conditions, and platforms like cTrader that handle high-frequency moves like a dream. Picture this. Multiple screens lighting up with rapid chart action, indicators firing, and you're in and out of trades in seconds. And the entry-level hook, their ongoing $30 welcome bonus. Deposit just $10 via card or other methods. Verify, and that extra $30 credit lands in your account. Profits are withdrawable after meeting simple conditions. No crazy volume wars like some brokers. It's a low-risk way to test the waters and potentially turn a tiny star into real gains. Boom, bonus activated, trading unlocked. What really sets RoboForex apart in 2026 is advanced automation, copy trading upgrades, free VPs for high-volume pros, and a platform that feels next level with neon charts, algo tools, and cyber vibes. It's like trading with a smart assistant in the background. Pros: massive asset variety, killer tech stack, low entry with the $30 boost, and leverage up to 2,000. Cons: not available in some restricted countries, and the bonus requires that initial small deposit. Time for the main event, FBS versus RoboForex in 2026. Which one comes out on top for bonuses, leverage, features, and overall value? Let's break it down head to head, no fluff, just the facts to help you decide. First up, the logos and the big picture. On one side, FBS in green, beginner-friendly giant with massive global reach. On the other, RoboForex in blue, the tech powerhouse with insane asset variety. Look at this side by side. Bonuses, leverage, spreads, pros and cons stacked up. Bonuses in 2026. FBS has moved away from pure no-deposit offers to focus on sustainable perks. Think 100% deposit matches, cashback up to $15 per lot, and rotating promos like level up if revived. RoboForex keeps it simple and steady with the $30 welcome bonus deposit, just $10. Verify and get that extra credit to start trading. Profits withdrawable, no major hidden catches. Versus mode, activated green versus blue. Lightning ready. FBS brings the thunder with ultra-high leverage up to 3,000. Perfect for aggressive traders who want maximum firepower on small accounts. RoboForex counters with up to 2,000. Still massive but shines brighter on asset diversity. Over 12,000 instruments including stocks, crypto, and ETFs. Check these split screens. Similar trades side by side. FBS edges out on tighter spreads as low as 0.2 pips, and beginner tools like copy trading. RoboForex fires back with cTrader. The scalpers, faster execution, and that futuristic platform feel. Now the balance scale. High leverage on the FBS side. Great for turning small moves into big potential. More assets and tech variety on RoboForex. Ideal if you want to trade everything from Forex to Bitcoin in one place. So, who's the winner? It depends on you. If you're chasing max leverage and super low entry with bonus boosts, FBS might take the round. If you want diverse assets, tech-forward platforms, and a reliable $30 starter kit, RoboForex has the edge. Let's quickly cover the pros, cons, and must-know tips for using these bonuses in 2026. Pros: free low-risk capital. To practice real trades, chance to withdraw profits, high leverage, copy trading access, and cashback perks, great for building skills. Cons: volume requirements can force risky trades, time limits, bonus itself usually not withdrawable, and potential for total loss if you overtrade. Pro tips: follow this checklist. Verify account, claim bonus, meet volume smartly, then withdraw. Build a risk pyramid. Stop loss first. Risk only 1-2% per trade. Avoid overtrading. That warning sign flashes for a reason. Finally, treat it like a business. Write your strategy, review trades, and use the bonus to learn, not gamble. Master these basics, and bonuses become powerful tools instead of traps. Quick Q&A from comments I've seen. Can I withdraw the bonus itself? Usually no, only profits after volume requirements. Is it available in the US? Both brokers have restrictions in some regions. Always double check eligibility. Which one should I start with? If you want max leverage and beginner tools, lean FBS. If you love variety and tech, go RoboForex demo. Both first. Are these still good in 2026? Yes, but offers change fast. For the latest promos and my affiliate referral links, check the description and pin links on my YouTube channel profile. If you've tried these brokers or have your own story, drop it in the comments below. I'll read every one and maybe feature the best in the next video. If this helped you understand Forex no deposit bonuses in 2026, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a guide like this.